In recent years, cryptocurrencies have emerged as a dynamic and potentially lucrative asset class, providing individuals with unique opportunities to generate income. While the crypto market is known for its volatility, strategic approaches can lead to profitable outcomes. This essay explores various methods for making money through cryptocurrency, emphasizing the importance of research, risk management, and responsible investing. One of the most common avenues for profiting in the crypto space is through investing. Investors purchase cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum with the expectation that their value will appreciate over time. This requires a comprehensive understanding of market trends, technological developments, and macroeconomic factors influencing the crypto landscape. Diligent research empowers investors to make informed decisions and navigate the market's inherent volatility. Less than